Welcome back to our channel. As a conscious consumer, I always opt to healthy dishes on our table. In today's recipe, we will be sharing with you a quick and easy meal that's as tasty as it's healthy. Chopsuey is a stir-fried vegetable dish that is cooked with meats. You can use chicken or pork, or both, as well as adding shrimp and boiled quail eggs that will complete the dish. This is very healthy because it has assorted fresh veggies that are packed with different vitamins and minerals that our body needs. I would also like to suggest this to those with anemia because in this recipe we included pork liver, which is a good source of higher levels of both iron and vitamin C. So let's include this dish on your regular meal plan. Alright, so let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the ingredients in uniform sizes to ensure even cooking. Prepare fresh veggies. So we have here 100 grams of cauliflower, 100 grams of carrot, sliced into thin pieces, 10 pieces of snow peas, 6 pieces of baby corn, 100 grams of green bell pepper, and 100 grams of red bell pepper. And we also have 50 grams of string beans, 150 grams of cabbage, 150 grams of sayote, 8 pieces of boiled quail eggs, 2 pieces of onions sliced, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, and of course your pork ingredients. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Adjust the amount according to your taste. Okay, let's start cooking. Pan fry your thin sliced pork until it becomes brown and crispy. Use a bigger saucepan, and you can also use that oil from your pork to suit your onions and garlic. Stir your onions and garlic until softened. Add your crispy pork. Save a few for the topping. And then add your veggies. In your oyster sauce, and then your ground black pepper, one cup of water, add add the rest of your vegetables. Combine your ingredients gently and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can add your cabbage and your snow peas, but you have to make sure that you will not overcook your veggies to maintain their vitamins and minerals. Now you can add in the pork liver. Finally, for the last ingredient to add in, your diluted cornstarch. And let it boil for another 2 minutes, and that's it. And there you have it, our healthy and tasty chopsuey. Top it up with your boiled quail eggs. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed our chopsuey recipe.